Hello students, I hope all is well for you. So let's start our today's lesson. Today we are doing block 4, that is perspective writing, and lesson plan 1, the definite article. And you will be able to identify when to use indefinite article and when to use definite article. So students, you have already studied about the articles in the previous classes. We use an before singular nouns and n is used before singular nouns also with the vowel sounds a, e, I, o, u. सो जो ए और एन हम यूज़ करते हैं सिंगुलर नाउन से पहले यूज़ करते हैं और एन भी सिंगुलर नाउन से पहले यूज़ होता है, लेकिन जहाँ पे वॉवल साउंड से स्टार्ट वर्ड होते हैं. सो आई हैव एन एप्पल, आई हैव आ पेन. सो एन एप्पल, एप्पल इज स्टार्टिंग with the vowel sound a, so that is we have used here an apple. I have a pen, so pen is starting with p, p is consonant sound, so that's why we are using here a. So a and n are indefinite articles and the is definite article. Today we will learn when to use the in a sentence. Now let's have look at some examples. I have a cat, the cat is black. I have a house, the house is huge. So a is used to show indefinite article, not specific. I have a house, any house, कोई specific कोई particular house नहीं है. Now the house is huge. Huge means very big. Now the is definite article. Here we are talking about the specific house. So we use an before singular nouns and we use the before nouns that are specific or have already been mentioned. For example, when we say I have a shirt, we are talking about a shirt in general. Any shirt will do here, not any particular shirt. But when we say the shirt is black, we are talking about a particular black shirt. Since we use the to talk about a specific thing, that is called the definite article. So a और n हम यूज़ करते हैं किसी भी सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ एंड दा को हम यूज़ करते हैं किसी भी पर्टिकुलर नाउन से पहले. सो वी यूज़ द विद बोथ काउंटेबल्स एंड अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स सच एज द मंकीज़. इट इज़ प्लूरल ना, मंकीज़, द टीचर्स, द चीज़, द लगेज, द गोल्ड. So now open your book at page number 28, that is grammar guide identifying indefinite and definite article. So as I told you, we use a and when we are not talking about anything specific. These are called indefinite articles. For example, do you have a pen? Any pen will do here. We are not talking about specific pen. We use the when we talk about something specific and it is clear that we are talking about. The is definite article. For example, do you have the pen I gave you yesterday? अब यहाँ पे स्पेसिफिक पेन के बारे में बात हो रही है कि क्या तुम्हारे पास वो पेन है जो मैंने तुम्हें कल दिया था. So now let's have a look when to use a definite article. Already mentioned, we use the when a thing is already mentioned. For example, I asked him if I could borrow a pencil. The pencil he gave me was not sharp. So first time we used a pencil, but after mentioning it first time we used the pencil. I saw a bird on the tree. The bird had blue flowers. First time we used a bird, second time we used the bird. Only one. We use the when there is only one of something, such as the sun. In the whole universe there is only one sun. So the sun, the earth, or the longest river. Longest, long, longer, longest. Longest is the superlative degree of long. So with every superlative degree we will always use the. The sun rises from the east. I am the shortest boy in the class. Only one in that place we use the when there is only one of a thing in surroundings. For example, we live in a small town next to the temple. It means there is only one temple near the town. कि उस टेम्पल में जो है एक ही उस टाउन में एक ही टेम्पल है. सो दैट्स वाई वी आर यूजिंग हियर द टेम्पल. लुक एट द गर्ल नियर द विंडो. So there is one girl near the window. When not to use a definite article, so sometimes it happens when we are not supposed to use the article. So when referring to people by their names, for example, Gitanjali was written by Rabindranath Tagore. When you tell your name to someone, so you say, my name is Da Khushi, Da Raju, no. So before the names, we will not use the. Before the names of languages, games, and subjects, for example, they speak Malayalam at home. Cricket is a popular game. My favorite subject is history. So if we use the Malayalam, it will be wrong. If we use the cricket, it will be wrong. When referring to places by their names, for example, Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. We will not say the Gujarat, the Gandhinagar. Sometimes there are exceptions also and rule breakers also. Use the for countries whose names are in plural and for countries that include words like states, kingdom, islands, and republic. For example, we will not say the India, we will say only India. The Netherlands, the United States of America, the United Kingdom, the Canary Islands, and the Czech Republic. Use the with the names of mountain ranges, rivers, seas, and oceans. For example, the Himalayas, the Brahmaputra, the Arabian Sea, and the Pacific Ocean. So, students, I hope you can understand the topic of articles, definite and indefinite articles very well. So, now take out your worksheet S1 at page number 21. So let's start doing the worksheet, the definite article. Question number 1 is here for you. Use a or an in the following sentences. Yesterday I saw an ant hill. Ant hill is starting with the vowel sound a. So that's why we are using an ant hill. They saw a camel. Camel is starting with k, that is consonant sound. My brother has a blue and white tie. We should wait an hour for her. Here H is silent. We will speak it, we will pronounce it as R, an R. I need an oven. So we will not say it oven, we will say it oven, an oven. So A is also vowel sound, that's why we are using an oven. Now question 2 is here, filling the blanks with a, an, or the. Once there lived an old scientist on an island. So vowel sound is here, old and island. So we will use an here. He is a kind-hearted person. K is consonant sound. Did you meet the chief guest of the evening? So chief guest is the particular person, particular guest. So we are using the here. The sun appeared in the sky after 5 days. The book I am reading is really interesting. So why did we use the here before the name of book? We use the because we are talking about the particular book that I am reading. Now question 3, rewrite the sentences using the correct articles. I saw a gorilla in a zoo. A gorilla was much bigger than my expectations. So how can we correct it? I saw a gorilla in a zoo. The gorilla was much bigger than my expectation. First time we used a gorilla, second time we used the gorilla. My grandfather gave me a huge hug before leaving. So we will use a huge hug because H is the consonant sound. Now make 2 sentences using the. Can you please tell me a story? The story you told me yesterday was really good. Did you see the play last night? So